Well, temperatures around our area are starting off today in the 70s, but we are going to eventually make it into the 80-degree range for some of us here around the state. A lot of clouds out there, but we are going to be seeing some thunderstorms a little bit later on this afternoon. So let's take a look at some of the temperatures around our area. We've already got 78 degrees in Hebron right now, already to 81 in Marysville, Kansas, and in Beatrice right now. 76 for Lincoln, 72 in York, and 76 as well here in Hastings. Off towards our west, we are going to be seeing some of those temperatures a little bit on the cooler side, though, so keep that in mind. Later on in the afternoon, not going to be quite as warm off towards our west. 3-day forecast now, we are going to be seeing those temperatures taking a downward trend fairly quickly. As we head into Tuesday, temperatures only around 70 degrees for our highs. Today around 80, tomorrow around 70. But the better chance for rain comes on Tuesday. We'll likely see more widespread rain, especially overnight, as we head from this evening into early tomorrow morning. We'll be seeing a lot of rain across the state of Nebraska. As we head into Wednesday, though, temperatures warm up just a little bit. Most of the rain chances are early on Wednesday. And then by Thursday, we look like we'll be drying things out. Temperatures will warm back up into the low 80s, so that'll be nearer average. Not quite there yet, though. But Friday, we're keeping an eye on Friday because we might be seeing better chances for more extensive severe weather coming up. Already looking at that a week or 5 days out at the end of the work week there. And then as we head into the weekend, we'll likely see those temperatures level off in the low 80s. Satellite and radar over the past several hours this morning, we've seen just a few moderate showers that have been really dying as they approach the east. So around the Holdridge area, only a few light showers a couple of hours ago, and some light showers off towards northeastern Nebraska as well, not amounting to much, but we'll be seeing more rain coming up later on tonight. Looking at our winds right now, fairly light, pretty variable as well. They're going to be switching around a couple of times. We've got a low pressure system that's going to be developing later on today. It's not really strong right now, but as it comes off of the Rockies, it'll start to spin up a little bit more. That's going to power some of those thunderstorms that we're expecting a little bit later on. For that, let's take a look at Futurecast now. We're going to be seeing a few of those thunderstorms developing just south of the Highway 20 corridor down to the Platte River Valley as well. Around 4 o'clock p.m., we could be seeing some of that in central and eastern Nebraska. That'll extend back towards the west as well and begin to form a line with some north-south oriented storms that are coming out of Colorado. So eventually these will form a line of thunderstorms. This is where we're looking at our severe weather threats coming up this afternoon. Around midnight tonight, we could be seeing some just thunderstorms here around the Tri-Cities between 9 and midnight tonight, and then we'll see a little bit more rain coming up after that as well. As we head overnight, this line will eventually make its way, so tomorrow morning might be a pretty soggy start here for the Tri-Cities area. As far as the severe weather threat goes, we're looking at large hail and damaging winds as the primary threats with these storms, but there is still an isolated tornado risk out for portions of the Sand Hills down into northeastern Colorado as well. But this enhanced risk, or the slight risk, level 2 out of 5 for severe weather coming up this afternoon, basically extends from just north of Broken Bow back towards the south and west, and then the marginal risk extends into eastern Nebraska. Highs today will be getting up to around 80 degrees here for the Tri-Cities, and over the next couple of days, we'll be seeing cooler temperatures. Russ?